So if you want to give your product text a fresh look on Hostinger website builder, I'll show you how to quickly customize your text style and make your product stand out in just few clicks. So it's super simple. So if you want to change the font here on products, right? We have here page and store. I like to change the font, right? What you need to do, I thought of when I started using Hostinger that I can just go to edit section here. There's something related to text. I'll do more research, but I can't. I thought I can change only the style of this store. Might be wrong. I'm not professional on Hostinger. I'm just sharing what I'm learning. But to just change the style, you can go here to website style, font, and then here you can just change the font, right? And it's gonna change the font, as you can see. But auto is gonna change the font here. Now, I don't know yet the solution or how can I change only to the store, but it's fine for now. At least I can find something that'll look good for my store. This is just a sample store, of course, just a sample, just example store, just a testing store. But yeah, and here you have paragraph 1, weight, size, and then paragraph 2. You can also click on here and change the size, preview, paragraph, navigation, and links as well. But for font, yeah, just look for one that looks good. Okay, I can upgrade now. And I can refresh the website. Okay, now let's go back to store, website styles, fonts, and then here you can also just reset this one, this one. I just realized I was lucky here just editing the style, so yeah, I forgot to actually you can change the headings if you want, and paragraph and navigation. You do have that option, but anyways, it was a little bit confusing when I started using it. But anyways, it does the work. It's gonna it's gonna work. So here you can then decide the text for headings, the font for headings, sorry, and then the font for paragraphs. Okay, so paragraphs navigation, you can also reset, and you have a lot of fonts to choose from here. Also for a button, but we are interested in fonts. So just don't forget here and then select fonts. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching and take care.